Yo, good morning guys. We are here. We're just going to bike around. The time now is 7:30. Yeah, really early and nice weather today. Yesterday it was really rainy and it was uh, it was very windy last night. And this is how it is at the moment here. It's a little cold, the wind. Not very windy, but the wind is cold. The water is calm. It's this high tide at the moment, and there are some people in there. They are relaxing. You have no right. Good morning. You ask me how I feel, and at the moment there are many people in there. They are fishing. I don't really have a plan. Actually, I have so many plans, but I don't know how to start. Yeah, and most of them are related to making video. Yeah, I don't know. I am day off yesterday, but yesterday was rainy, so I didn't really enjoy the outside. And now it's a good day. I don't know. We maybe are just going to bike around, singing along with the music. Oh, nice. They made it new now. Really good. Yeah, before it was a rough road. Now it's even. They put new asphalt, so it's good looking. You know, the vibe is really much different if you are compared to the city and then a regional place like this. Yeah, in here you'll see people more relaxed. I'm just waiting for my bacon and egg roll and this bites on the bay. And I want to share all my love I'm with you. No one else but you. And we are now here in the Shoal Bay, and look at this guy. I was amazed with the what's that? With the clouds. Okay, we're going to Pingal Bay. Okay, that's it for us here, and we're going now. Looks like it is going to rain. Actually, there was a little rain a while ago. All these people with cars, they are surfer. I am a little tempted to go in there. Yeah, and it will go straight to the Pingal Bay. Should we go or no? Yeah, I actually feel like going in there. Okay, we'll get through it. I'm just walking at the beginning because it's a very soft sand and you can't run in there. We'll just go a little bit up here. Okay, we are in it already. We are now already riding and going up in here. It's still a sand in here. And there are this kind of beautiful little flowers. I don't see these flowers outside, just here. Sorry about the noise. That's my jug, my mug of coffee. Oh, this one is a little high. Wow, this is awesome. I was able to get up here. And actually down there is a residential area. And now we're going down. Danger, this is a little sign of danger if you get up there. Yeah, but it's really fun. We are now here. Good morning. Yeah, we are now here in the regular normal way. And again, relax to bike in here. Good morning. Good morning. We are now here in Pingal Bay. Yeah, I can see that there are many cars in there. Today is Sunday, so a lot of vacationer. Yeah, this is the town center of the Pingal Bay. In here there are some restaurant and grocery. We're just going to buy something to drink and something to eat. Okay, let me show you this. Yeah, that is a residential area, some vacation house also. And there are always a lot of cars in here still staying, especially during summer. Yeah, because they are swimming in there, fishing in there. And as you can see from here, there are many kids on that side. I think that is a kind of excursion, students activities, something like that. And we just stop here because I'm going to eat this. And I have this drink. This is a Powerade. Yeah, there are many people down there. Even the caravan park, a lot of people. Since believing it's not too late. It's not too late. I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. And we are back here in Shoal Bay. Yeah, there are many people now in there. They are jumping into the water. And it's still beautiful. I mean, always beautiful. So, bring that. Good. I broke the sunglass. Okay, I am now home.